In this video, we will show you how to install the SpeedySafe Personal Vault on a wood bed frame. You will need the hardware and wood bed frame installation bracket that come with your SpeedySafe. You will also need a flathead screwdriver, pliers, and drill. First, you will need to remove the mattress and box spring so you can get easy access to the frame. If you are installing by yourself, a quick helper can be a stack of books to help you hold your safe while you are installing. Position the wood installation bracket on top of the Personal Vault and slide it until it is flush against the wood frame. Next, you will drill pilot holes into the wood through the installation bracket. Make sure you keep checking to verify that your bracket stays lined up with your pilot holes. You can start your screw by hand tightening them in the pilot holes, then continue screwing them in with a screwdriver, or you can switch to your drill once all the screws have been started. After the bracket is installed, slide the washers onto the tamper-resistant bolts and insert through holes in the wood bed frame bracket and hand tighten the acorn nuts from inside the vault. You can use a pair of pliers to hold the acorn nut from inside the vault as you fully tighten down the tamper-resistant screws. Installation of your SpeedySafe Personal Vault is complete. Refer to the lock instructions to set your combination.